Finally, let's talk about the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 8QT pressure cooker with dehydrate function. Though it's currently unavailable, this XL model was earning excellent 4.7 out of 5 stars from 2,551 reviews and represents the premium end of the Ninja Foodi lineup. The 8-quart capacity with tender crisp technology allows you to pressure cook ingredients to lock in juices, then finish with the crisping lid for that perfect golden finish. What sets this apart is the dehydrate function that lets you make homemade chips, jerky, and dried fruits, basically giving you a food dehydrator built in. The XL 5-quart cook and crisp basket can handle up to a 7-pound chicken, perfect for feeding large families or entertaining. The 1,700-watt power ensures serious performance across all functions. Customer feedback was overwhelmingly positive about the versatility and capacity. Users love being able to pressure cook large roasts and then crisp them to perfection in the same pot. The ceramic-coated non-stick surfaces are PTFE, PFOA-free and make cleanup surprisingly easy despite the large capacity. The dehydrator function was a particular hit with health-conscious users making their own snacks and preserves. However, the large size at 14.3 inches by 16.8 inches by 13.1 inches and 26-pound weight means this definitely requires dedicated counter space and isn't easy to move around. Some users mentioned that the multiple lids and components require significant storage space, and the high capacity might be overkill for smaller households. A few customers noted that while the unit is incredibly versatile, mastering all the functions takes time and practice. The current unavailability and strong 4.7-star rating from over 2,500 reviews suggests this was the go-to choice for serious home cooks who wanted maximum capacity and functionality. Definitely worth waiting for if you need that level of performance and versatility. Remember, we share buy links in the description box for all available models.